Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Friday, August the 9th, 2019. The time is 3:45 a.m. GMT. We are looking at the chart of oil right now. This is a 90 minutes chart, and what we are looking here is for oil to correct this cycle, the cycle that starts from July 11 at $60.80. It is correcting this decline. Now this decline is in the form of a WXY or a double correction, right? So you got a corrective move all around the market here, and again we are correcting this cycle. Now this is not really recommended to buy because the right side is lower and we have a bearish sequence time. Remember, the way we trade is we only trade in the direction of the arrow. So if the arrow is red, we don't buy. If the arrow is red, we don't buy. If the arrow is green, we don't sell. In this case, this is red, so we don't try to buy it. All right, and looking for any rally if it happens to fail for more downside. Now if we zoom out oil and take a look at the 4-hour here, you notice here from the April 23rd we just recently broke below this on June the 6th. So we just recently broke below it, so now clearly it is showing a bearish sequence, a low, right? Incomplete on the downside. If you measure the 100% extension of that cycle, alright, you can see we still need to reach $45, right? Still quite a substantial move on the downside is possible in oil. Okay, and so currently we are looking for bounce therefore to fail in the sequence of 3711 swing for the downside. So suppose that this is the right count A and B, because I mean it can change. For example, this can be, it can be a double zigzag. For example, this ends ABC here, and then this is a correction, and then another move to the upside is possible, right? So I think in the shorter cycle, still yet to be confirmed if this is the right way to label the overall structure to the upside. Okay, again, like I said, another possibility is going to be a, ended the cycle here, whether you call it W or A doesn't matter, and then we got a B or an X and then another leg. Right, that's another possibility. And of course we can also do a flat from here. So we got an A, B, C, expanded flat, and then so this is going to be a 5 waves if this is an A, B, C expanded flat. Then after that we got another C. So we still have a couple of other choices in the short term as to how oil can play out, or if not, then we can just go lower because the right side is lower anyway, right? So we still think that this bounce, it seems to be too shallow to correct this. That's why we allow the possibility of another leg higher. But as far as the bounce stays below here, right, and if this AP is correct, then we should be looking to extend higher very soon. But again, there is a couple of different possibilities in that shorter cycle over there, right? So we should be doing a 5 ways up like this, and then finish the X, and you can measure target C equal to A, which is going to be $54.30. But that is assuming this structure is really correct, because again in the shorter cycle there are a couple of other alternates, but I mean all those alternates basically do not change the overall idea that as far as we stay below $60.80, we're looking for another leg lower and then potentially targeting this $45, right? So if you like this video, then please do like and subscribe our channel. And as always, we do have a 14 days free trial for those of you that is new to our service. You can try our service free of charge for 14 days. Alright, so see you guys again next week, and have a nice weekend everyone.